This is a quick video to highlight a link that I read in the day, and this is a survey, excuse me, that was done by an organization called TIOBE, which essentially does surveys of different programming languages and their popularity. And what I wanted to highlight was that there is a big reaffirmation or a big thumbs up for object-oriented programming, because as it happens, 4 of the top 5 programming languages, as have been found by this survey, happen to follow the object-oriented programming paradigm. And I think that really just goes to reaffirm how important object orientation is in the current world of software development. So yeah, so as I said, this is a quick video to just basically highlight this fact and to just say that how important and valuable object orientation is. On my screen, you should see the highlighted top 5 languages that came out of the survey, and obviously we have, for some reason, well, for a very good reason, we have C at the top because it leads the kind of the embedded systems area. Then that's obviously followed by Java, which is sort of the quintessential object-oriented programming language, because of course it came after C++, which is in the list, and then we have Python, and then we have C#. So going back to Java, it's my understanding that Java was essentially was meant to be an improvement on C++, because C++ was essentially C with object orientation on top. So every valid C program is also a C++ program. Python, I think, has very different roots. Its influences are more Ruby, but of course Python is a object-oriented language as well. If anything, it's actually more object-oriented, more pure object orientation than even Java, because in Python everything is an object. There are no primitive data types in Python, of course, whereas we know in Java there are primitive data types such as integers and characters. And I think C# is obviously used widely in the .NET framework ecosystem. It's used in things like app development as well. So it's a popular programming. It's a popular environment for software development. So yeah, so basically, to say that this survey that was carried out by the TIOBE found that these are the top 5 programming languages going into 2021, of which 4 or 80% are object-oriented. I will leave a link to this in the description in case if anyone's interested. And thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.